Hi everyone, I'm Lisa. Welcome back to my daily channel. It's been a long time since I showed you my neighborhood supermarket. I have free time today. I will show you real fruit prices in China. All goods have clear price tags. Bright red nectarines, $0.275 per 500 grams. Honeydew melons, $0.55 per 500 grams. Sweet and juicy watermelons, only $0.1375 per 500 grams. Fresh passion fruits are priced at $1.38 per 500 grams. I'm curious about you guys watching. How much are these fruits in your city? Nectarines, honeydew melons, watermelons, and passion fruits. Are they cheaper or much more expensive than here? Leave your local prices in the comments section below. Let's compare fruit prices around the world. I will read every single comment carefully. We're done with the fruit area. I pushed my shopping cart to the dry goods section. I came to buy ingredients. All-purpose flour tapioca starch, white sugar and brown sugar. I'll follow a recipe at home. Learn to make steamed brown sugar cake. I heard tapioca starch works great. Makes it soft and chewy. Not dense and tough. This is my first try. It's a fermented treat. I have no confidence at all. Wonder if I'll mess it up. Turn into hard dough lumps. I'll make it at home first, then show you the final result. I absolutely love this sweet and sour AD calcium milk. Alright, I'm done shopping. Let's head to checkout. Take a guess. I've got a full basket. Seasonal fresh fruits. Ingredients for brown sugar cake. And my go-to drink. How much is all together? Time for the reveal. The final bill is 36 yuan. That's about $5. Do you think it's a good deal? I bought fresh passion fruits today from the supermarket. Let's make a refreshing drink. First, wash the fruit clean. Cut it right in half. Look at the golden juicy pulp, full of little seeds. The tangy aroma hits you right away. Scoop all the pulp and seeds out. Pour them into a glass. Add ice-cold water to fill it up. Then add a spoonful of honey. Drizzle it on top. Stir it well with a spoon, and it's done. It's perfectly sweet and tangy, cold and refreshing. Way better than store-bought fruit tea. Today I'm recreating the brown sugar steamed cake I loved as a kid. Tutorials say no kneading needed. Just mix everything up. I thought it was totally easy. Dissolve brown sugar in warm water. Add yeast and flour, mix well. Let it rise until doubled with tiny bubbles. It looked absolutely perfect. Steamed on high heat for 20 minutes after boiling. I even let it rest 3 minutes before opening the lid. But I laughed right when I lifted it. The surface cracked all over. Nowhere near as smooth as the tutorial. It tastes totally fine though. Soft and fluffy, not sticky at all. It just looks really bad. Anyone know what went wrong? Was the heat too high? Or wrong batter ratio? Drop your tips in the comments. I'll fix it and try again next time. What are the easy homemade desserts? Would you like to see next? Drop your suggestions in the comments, and I'll make them happen in my next video. If you found this video useful, be sure to save it, and subscribe to my channel. Ishare Simple. Tasty home cooked recipes every single day.